Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This is going to be fun. We got a 1929 Model A sedan here. Just a cute car. I'm excited to do this video. It's something different for all of us. And it's just fun. It's just a cool, very well restored Model A. If you visit volocars.com, plenty of ways on there to contact us, to ask any questions. You can also see a lot of photos, pictures, and get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale. So visit volocars.com. If you just like watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's go for a spin in an old Model A. Yeah, the Model A's are just such a popular car. They always have been. A lot of collectors have to have one in the collection. A lot of people just like to have one in the garage. Even if it's just for a couple years, enjoy a Model A, take your kids to get ice cream, put around to the car shows. It's just a lot of fun. Everyone should experience it at least once. But you can get all the parts for these cars. They're easy to resell, easy to maintain. You buy one done like this, this has been completely taken apart and completely restored, top to bottom, inside and out. One of the nicer ones I've seen in a long time. It's an all-metal car. Underneath the car is really nice and clean. It has the stock exhaust system. It looks like it's ceramic coated. It's got a real nice silver finish on it. And you can tell, again, it was a part. The suspension, all the nuts and bolts and pins and all the hardware is like new, not just painted over. So the suspension and running drive line was apart. You know, the transmission's clean, the bottom of the motor's clean, the drain plugs are clean with the tape around them. So again, it's not just something to just spray canned over. It was apart and restored. It has 5 restored wire wheels, nice caps, nice lug nuts, got the nice caps over the tire fillers, and reproduction Firestone white wall tires. There's a 5th one on the back. That's why I say there's 5 of them. It's got glass Ford script lenses, nice chrome headlights. The grille looks brand new. It's just gleaming. The cap looks new. This is the optional stone shield. It has the Auga horn, which I'll gladly demonstrate in a minute. The bumpers are re-chromed or new. Now the body is really nice. There's no rust, no damage. It's not a $25,000 perfect paint job, and the body's a little wavy, but that's pretty typical on Model A's. Guys don't go to the extent of making it just, you're not going to put $100,000 into one of these. But it shows well, and the paint is glossy, very smooth and glossy. It's not cracking. There's no rust. It's all real nice. It even feels slick as can be. I'm going to say all the glass is new because it's all crystal clear. The welting between the fenders are new. It's got the correct tail lights. It has the bumperettes because it has the tire in the middle. This is an optional luggage rack, and it's in really nice shape. And all the seals and felts in the window channels, all that looks like it's been replaced. The running boards are recovered, has step plates, that's an option. The trim looks like it's new. So the outside of the car has been redone. The vinyl inserts on top, they put vinyl up there because it was cheaper than doing an all-metal roof. That's why they had it like that. But that looks like it's redone. Has the built-in visor, has a swing-out windshield. This is where you put the gas in. There's no fuel pump. It's gravity fed. That's why the gas tank is up here. It's gravity fed down to the carburetor. So there you have it. That's the outside's real nice. My favorite part on this car is the inside. It's so luxurious. You wouldn't think a Model A would be this fancy. And by the way, these doors, they shut nice and solid. They don't drag. They don't drop. Really nice doors. Did a beautiful job. All correct upholstery. You know, it's pleated. It's got the buttons. It has shades. It has 3 pull-down shades with the little tassels. They're all new. The chrome hardware on them is new. It has these real nice pull straps, all the welting around all the door openings, all the chrome handles inside. They're very ornate. It's all new. This fake wood grain, faux painted wood grain is all repainted real nice. The screws are real nice. Has a real nice proper looped carpet with bound edges, and I think it has that sound deadener underneath it. Headliner's redone. There's a overhead light. I flip the lever, the light comes on. But just look at all this fancy stuff. Steering wheel's real good. Dash is real nice. It's got the swirled shifter ball. Also something very unique on this car, it has this overdrive unit. It's not, from what I could tell, it's not in the trans, it's not in the rear end. It's kind of halfway in between on the drive shaft. There's a second unit. There's a lever on the floor, so it kicks it into a higher gear. So you should be able to go down the road a little bit better. These are 45 to 55 mile an hour cars. I don't know how much extra that overdrive will give you. It should help a little bit. The motor compartment, again, was apart. Every piece, nut, bolt, bushing, it was apart and restored, not just painted over. And it runs really good. It actually is fun just to hear it putting along. We'll hear it in just a second here. They didn't have spark plug wires. It was just a copper piece of metal, carburetor. Everything looks proper. Firewall's painted nice, but look at that beautiful interior. All right, let's start it up. Firewall's painted. Kick panels are real nice. Ready? Come on, don't you want to putt around your neighborhood with this? Take the kids around the block. See how nice that shuts. Headlights work. All four doors shut real nice. This is the extended, well, it has the extra window. Some of them were a two-door sedan, four-door sedan. This has got the extra window. Listen to that idle. This is a pretty darn luxurious Model A in my opinion. Fun car. I think I'll take this home tonight instead of a Chevelle. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They'll answer any of your questions. I just gave you my impression of the car, but if you have specific concerns, please ask them. They'll also help you with the whole process of the paperwork, delivery, financing. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video as much as I did, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.